What is good, everyone? Today hopefully today's not boring. Because I would like to show you what a day in the life of a full-time author in Manila looks like. I hope today's not boring. I really do. I'm gonna try to make it interesting.
Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah. Ayy, you pay me what I'm owed, yeah.
Some sort of like desk, because this desk is big, but it's slowly becoming too crowded. I have two mentor texts for my middle grade novel. I'm using The Bridge Home, Padma and The Bridge Home. I haven't read her new book yet, but I am just very excited about reading that. And Jason Reynolds' Ghosts. Kind of what I do is I try to use it as just like a guide in regards to how they structure foreshadowing, how they structure their characters, their dialogue, some of their internal thinking, and just to get ideas. I think it's super important, not even just as like a new author, I'm assuming, but to always look at mentor texts, because oftentimes someone has already created something similar to what you're trying to do. So that can help you kind of generate your ideas a little bit more and your flow a little bit more. So these are my two mentor texts. I have my like daily journal that I journal in to let myself know how I've been doing throughout the day. Sketchbook on the picture book. And then I have like just pencils and stuff around as well. iPad, and then I need a box or something to put, not a box, something to put them in. I could put them behind me in some boxes or things, but I need them in front of me. Regardless, I'm gonna go do some work now. So if you did see the other video, then you know that yes, I do need to have, I don't need to, but I like to have coffee in the morning. At this point, I'm kind of just checking out emails. I try to finish emails relatively quickly, and because I'm not in school, I don't get a ton of them, so I like to try to get right into the work pretty fast, as long as I'm not distracted by sports. But I didn't go for a run this morning. I didn't go for a run because I normally do a run in the morning. Didn't go for a run today because I ran twice yesterday. And I normally don't. I do 2 a day sometimes, but I ran with a friend. I will maybe go for a run or a walk later just because it's nice to get outside. And I also don't want this whole vlog to be inside this room because it might be a little boring for you. But I do spend the majority of my day inside here. About 11 o'clock. Just gonna get some lunch. I do eat lunch. Yeah, I eat lunch. Sometimes I don't, just because I'm kind of in it, but I normally do eat lunch. My wife is teaching. She has an extremely long day today. She has parent conferences and she has to teach So she's probably gonna go until about 4:30. I think it's 4:30, maybe even later. Leftovers. Don't be afraid of leftovers, people. Leftovers are good. I've also been trying to watch the baseball game, so I don't know if I'm posted when I post this, but Boston is playing Houston. All right, so honestly, the editing or revising or restructuring of my middle grade novel is slow because I'm trying to figure out, there's something I noticed a while ago and I posted about this some time ago that I needed to change. But that thought made me, I needed to change, with that thought I needed to change like a lot of things in each chapter. So right now, my idea was that this week I would really just try and finish the draft. And I'm thinking now that it's about 11 o'clock and I have about two more chapters to at least go through and make sure like those moments have changed. It may take some time. So we're gonna see. We may reevaluate the goals, but for the most part, it's going well. I really love the story. I keep saying that, but I really truly do love the story and I hope other people do too. What I am worried about is my lack of knowledge about writing novels, to be honest, because I've never written a novel before. Yeah, so that's like my biggest worry. But this has been really, really fun. What I'm going to do now, probably once I'm finished this, I may pop on an audiobook. Right now I'm listening to The Marian Knight Brothers, which is amazing. And while I'm listening to that, I'm just gonna sit. I think I might just sit here and relax for a little bit. And then by about 12:31, I'll pop into the picture book restructuring of that, which sounds daunting in my head, but also should be fun because it's the second book in my contract. I'm gonna eat. See you later. All right, so I did decide to get out. I don't know if you can hear me, but only for a little bit.
I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me.
All right, just got back from my walk. Had to change my shirt because every time I go outside, I get really sweaty. I'm gonna finish up, not finish, but continue working on my middle grade just for a bit, probably until about maybe 1, and then I'm gonna switch over. I am just in it right now, and the book is kind of like stuck in my head, so I'm gonna continue, and then we'll catch up later. Peace. All right, so I did end up going for a short run. It was only around 4K, but I decided to do this because I just wanted to kind of get out a little bit before I came back to kind of wind down. Often when I go to run, especially at night, when I come back, I am tired. So it allows me to get to sleep a little bit earlier. It was a nice run tonight. What is up, everyone? It's been a long day and it's still not over, but I wanted to give you a full day. I'm about to relax. My wife is laying. She's had a longer day than I have. About to have some dinner, finish up Squid Game, and then back at it tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out. Peace.